All right, we're putting up the window. We're closing the shutters for the bedroom window. All of the windows in the house work the same way. First, you put up the blinds. Next, you reach down here to these two latches and you flip them until you hear them click. Lift them up here. Over here, this is the side that does not have the bolt in it. Pull it halfway. This side has the bolt in it. Take out the bolt carefully so that it doesn't fall on the ground. Pull them together. Tight, and shut the window, and we're done.